Hello guys, assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Just see the next thing. Here is the drawing room. If you see, this is the drawing room. If you see, this is awesome drawing room set. Everything you will find out here. This drawing room including the lamps, sofa sets, everything is there. Awesome, really very awesome. There's one more drawing room set, one more option. You'll see this, guys. You should see this one. Very beautiful, very awesome. MashaAllah, very nice. Look at this. This is also have the price.